Do you know how to improve your credit score? I'm going to show you how to build good credit and achieve a good credit score in your life. Today, we're going to talk about how to be wise with credit and improve your credit score in 5 steps. It's important to make the decision not to live on a credit basis. Today you will learn how to rebuild your credit or improve an average credit rating in 5 steps.
Make the decision not to live on a credit basis. Once you make the decision not to live on a credit basis, you can start the process of healing and eliminating debt. Again, it will not happen overnight. You did not get into the situation you are in overnight. So be patient, disciplined, committed, and keep working your plan while you are going through the process to becoming debt-free. Do not become a slave to credit, because bad credit can cause many problems in your personal and business life. A sign of being a matured and responsible citizen is practicing good habits with your money and credit. Spending and using your credit wisely is a choice and a privilege. Don't let that privilege be taken away. Think and plan out your spending. If you do, you will not make unplanned decisions that increase your debt, cause late payments, and lower your credit score.
Hi, my name's Char with a C. In order to reduce debt in your life, you must be wise with credit and improve your credit score. Bad credit reports can affect many areas of your life. You can be denied a credit card or charged higher interest rates. You may have problems getting utilities, insurance, mortgage loans, or employment. Bad credit reports can make you want to file for bankruptcy. If you want to improve your credit score, you must understand credit agencies. Credit agencies know who you owe money to, how much money you owe, and if you pay your bills on time. So, the first step to improve your credit score is start evaluating your credit report every year. Credit reporting agencies collect information about your credit history. When you apply for credit from a company, that company usually gets a profile about your credit history. The second step to improve your credit score is to make certain that your credit report is error-free. You have the right to dispute unfair practices by creditors and credit agencies. If you notice an error, write a letter to the credit reporting agency and include details about the error, code, company, and account number. According to the Fair Credit Reporting Act, legitimate harmful information about your credit cannot remain on your credit record longer than 7 years after being posted. There's 3 main credit reporting agencies. The 3 credit reporting agencies are Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. If you're denied credit by a business because of something that's on your credit report, you can get a free copy of your credit report by contacting the credit reporting agency. You can access your credit report at www.equifax.com, www.experian.com, or www.transunion.com. The third step to improve your credit score is to get a secured credit card. Secured credit cards are great for people with bad credit or limited credit because they offer nearly guaranteed approval. For example, the Capital One secured card is great for improving bad credit. However, the credit line takes a while to increase, even though monthly payments are in full or on time. For more details, visit www.capitalone.com. The fourth step to improve your credit score is to pay your bills on time each month for at least 1 year. This will create a new payment pattern on your credit report. The fifth step to improve your credit score is to list all credit cards, charge cards, and debt that you have. Now, put all your creditors in order from the highest interest rate to the lowest interest rate, even if you owe more on the lower interest rate credit card. Then concentrate on one bill that you're trying to accelerate the payments on. Pay an extra amount on the accelerated bill payments and pay the minimum amount on the other bills. Okay, so here's the challenge. Cut up all your credit cards except for one that's used for emergencies. Then put that one credit card in a plastic container with some water and put the container in the freezer. This will help create some self-control that you have to wait about 24 hours before you can make your next purchase. The lesson to learn is to make the commitment to stop using credit cards and get out of credit card debt. Cutting up those credit cards and canceling those credit card accounts will confirm your commitment to improve your credit score today. If you liked our Love Reconciled video, hey, give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to click below to subscribe and ring that bell to be notified for more Love Reconciled videos. We have a lot more to share and you don't want to miss one. Hey, remember, love God more than anything.
And you'll do right by everything.
We love you.
See you next time.
Thank you.